Bricks and marijuana. The answer is a rather unusual crop, namely industrial hemp. There are in fact thousands of uses for hemp, which is a strain of the cannabis plant. And in Leicestershire, one business is hoping to cash in.
Yes, a whopping 240 acres of the crop is now being grown to convert into construction materials to help combat climate change. Amy Payne made the most of last week's gorgeous sunshine, a bit unlike today, to take a trip to the farm.
In fields near Market Harborough, a rather unusual crop flourishes. It might look like acres and acres of cannabis, but this is its close relation, industrial hemp, grown under licence here at the largest site in the East Midlands. The aim is to convert it into building materials to help with climate change.
It offers an alternative to petrochemical plastics or to very high carbon use construction materials. This plant bioabsorbs so much CO2, you can offer a carbon negative alternative to large industrial sectors in the UK.
Jamie's one of around just 20 people growing hemp in the country. They're allowed because it contains little THC, which gets people high. But cultivation rules are strict. Last year, the Home Office said UK farmers can only utilise certain parts of the plant. When these crops are harvested in about a month's time, the leaves and the flowers will be destroyed and the stalk will be processed. And that's because it can be used for a variety of things. The inside part can be used for construction materials and the outer fibres for things like insulation. But if you're not convinced it's safe as, well, houses, here's the evidence. This is hempcrete and this entire home is built from it. And it's public perception and cost that are its greatest barriers.
It is probably slightly more expensive, but given the imperative of reducing environmental impact, you're going to need to use these sorts of materials. Ultimately, it has to become a mainstream product because it's the only way forward.
Back in Leicestershire, they agree. And so a huge research project is underway here to help an industry feeling its way. Hemp is seen as an easy crop to grow. Add to that its environmental credentials, and here they think this plant gives them a bright future. Amy Payne, BBC East Midlands Today, Leicestershire.
Amazing, isn't it? Incredible. Now then...